Hello and welcome back to CEOI. This is day 2. Today is the first contest day and the participants have been working for 5 hours. In a couple of minutes they will finish and come here for lunch. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Andrei Robertion. I am part of Romania's team.
How was the competition today?
I enjoyed it. It was fun. The second and third tasks were harder than I expected, but the first one was enjoyable and a really nice solution, I would say.
Well, it was challenging. The tasks were hard for all of us, but mainly interesting problems that we all liked solving.
It could have been better this day, but I don't know. I still think it was a fun experience, and I'm looking forward to the next day.
I thought the problems were quite interesting, and for me at least, it went relatively well.
It was pretty fun. I got 205, that's second place, so I'm very happy.
Were the tasks as you imagined them?
They were quite difficult, so perhaps more difficult than I expected. But yeah, it was fine.
No, I don't expect it so hard tasks.
Well, some of them, yes. I was expecting a little more points than I got, but it could have been worse, so I'm pretty much satisfied with my result.
Yeah, I think so. There was like one relatively easy task and then two quite hard tasks where you were only expected to get partial points.
I think it's quite obvious that you can't expect a certain kind of task, but it were tasks that belonged into the competition, I think.
Okay, do you have to use a specific programming language?
Yes, we program in C++. I think some other languages are allowed, but those are not used usually.
For this one, we have a specific set of languages we could use. I'm a fan of C++.
And what is your favorite programming language?
I guess C++.
C++, of course.
C++? Oh, my favorite is C++.
Do you want to do a short quiz?
Oh, sure, yeah.
I'm going to do the quiz. So, question 1. What is the value of x? But don't say too loud because the others shouldn't be spoiled. Have you seen this operator before?
Yeah, it's bitwise not, I think.
Yeah, that's correct.
It's a lot of zeros and then a 1, and we flip it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of ones and 1 0.
Yes.
What is the value of x?
It could be -2 as well.
Why could it be -2?
Because if we flip it, if we add 1, we get all ones, and if we add 1 more, then we kind of get 0. That's why it could be -2.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's -2. But what does it mean if we flip all the bits of a 1?
It means that the bit that is responsible for the sign flips as well.
That's correct.
And what about other bits? I thought it will be something like 2 to the power of a lot, but there is no such option.
No. Have you seen this operator before?
Yeah, it's the bitwise not operator.
That's correct.
Right? It's 2's complement, assuming we're working with normal computers.
Yeah, we do.
Not x plus 1 is negative x, so this should probably be -2.
That's correct. Wow. What is the output of the program?
So here we have the strlen function and sizeof. So strlen gets the length till the \0. So it will be 520, I think. Yeah.
Yes. You agree?
Yes, I
That's
agree.
correct. 520.
That's a 0, right?
Yeah, that's a 0.
Okay.
The
Five.
strlen is 5.
So it must be C.
That's correct. 520. Very good.
Okay.
Oh no, this is old C strings. Yep. Okay, so if I remember correctly, this is a null, right? Which means the string ends just after hello.
That's correct.
I don't remember. This should be a long.
It's a long
I think.
decimal.
Yeah, long
It doesn't
decimal.
matter. Don't need to answer it.
So it's 5 and size of S. Ooh, size of S should be 20, so it's 520.
That's
C.
correct.
Yep. Good point. Okay.
What is the output of the program?
Okay.
It's a value of I before incrementation. And we give, but const means we cannot change it.
That's correct.
So it's
And
either C or D.
Yeah.
It's a constant, so it couldn't it couldn't increase. So I don't know if that gives an error if you try to do that. Actually, haven't tried it.
It would make sense if it was D.
Yeah, that's correct. It's D. If you were a compiler, what would you do?
Yeah, I mean, it would make sense to give like an error or something for trying to change a constant value. So I suppose D.
Yeah, D is correct. Compile time error. You cannot increase a constant.
Yeah.
Very good.
Thank you.
If you were a compiler, what would you do?
I would try to think how can I increase the const value.
That's correct. So that should give you a headache, right?
Yeah, so it will be D.
Yeah, that's correct.
I0, you print I++. This is a post increment, which means that it takes the value before you increment it, so it should print 0.
Take another look.
Isn't it right as a compile error?
Why is that?
Because it's const.
Oh, good point. Yeah.
Got you there. Yeah.
Didn't see that one.
So yeah, that's correct. Compile time error.
Good thing I brought a friend.
Yeah.
Compile time error.
Because
I
I
agree.
is a const.
Yeah, well, because it's constant?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. In the statement above, what does the R indicate?
Oh, okay.
I know these are tough.
Yeah.
So here we have the array of pointer to the char. This thing is indicate.
I think it's array of 30 char set pointer.
So answer D?
Yep.
That's correct. You're really good.
I'm not sure between C and D. I think it should be one of them.
That's correct.
I think it's I mean I know this should be like a pointer, so I'm not sure if it's like a pointer to an array or an array of pointers. No, it's like 50-50.
Yeah.
Okay. An array of 30 character pointers sounds kind of fun, so I'll go with D.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, there's obviously a star that has something to do with pointers, but
A
an
star
array
is a number pointer.
also has to do something with pointers, so it's not said that it's an array of pointers.
Array of 30 character pointers. That would make sense.
Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, okay. So, if I remember correctly, the rule is that you go counterclockwise through stuff. So this is an array of 30 pointers to a char. Array is an array of 30 character pointers. D.
That's correct.
Okay.
What will be the output of the above C program?
In C++, we round it down.
Yeah.
Hope C does it as well.
Yes.
Then
So you have to watch out for post increment and pre increment.
Yeah, so it will be post increment, and so it will be 5 divided by 2. It will be 2. So yeah, it will be 2.
That's correct.
Yeah, it's done before incrementation.
2, so it's 2.
Down to 2.
That's correct.
The value of x is the one before.
Yep, so it's 5 over 2, which means it is 2. Yeah, they're both integers 2.
That's it. That's correct.
Good?
Yeah, I think that's easy for you. Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 2. That's correct. And last question, what will be the output of the above C program?
We have A equal 4, BC not defined, B equal 3,
A
C
equals 3, then C also equals 3, but
so
A equals 2 after all, so I think D.
yeah, D. Yeah, it will be 2, 3, 3.
That's correct.
Then we decrement A.
Twice.
Twice, so A is 2,
Yeah, makes sense.
first of all. B is
3 in both options.
Yeah, and
And when C is set before A is decremented the second time, so it has to be 3.
2, 3, 3. That's correct. Congratulations.
So, pre-decrement, which means that B takes the value of 3.
Yes.
Then C is also 3 because it decremented, then decremented again, but after. So both should be 3.
And A is now-
and A is now 2 because it decremented it twice. So it's 2, 3, 3.
That's correct. Congratulations.
Is that it?
That's it. You won the quiz.
Thanks. That was fun.
The first competition day was a hard day for all the participants, and now we are at the bowling center to relax a little bit. That's it for day 2 at the CEOI. We hope you liked it and see you tomorrow.